Hey Zoe,
Hey, Brayden.
are you ready for the madness to begin?
Did Principal Barnes sign our school up for a hidden prank show again?
No, promposal season. It's starting and everyone's going insane with their over-the-top promposals.
Already? It's March. I can't take all of this.
Becca and Jack had their promposal last week. Jack painted, "Will you go to the prom with me?" on the car and drove it to her house.
Painted his proposal on the car? Has he lost his mind?
That's what his grandmother said when she got her car back.
This is what I'm talking about.
It is kind of fun to have someone do something special for you, right? Right?
Good morning, class. We're starting our day off today with something special. Something that will make your heart sing and give you hope that love is out there. Love. 4 little letters that can change everything. Jason, you're on.
Valerie! Ding, 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 ding. You're the light of my life, the love of my heart. The song that I sing, co-written by my mom. I came to ask you, will you go to prom? Ding.
Oh my gosh, this is the greatest day of my entire life! Well, second greatest after the time I met Channing Tatum at my dad's work conference.
How romantic. You two lovebirds take a free period. Love will set us free.
Thanks, Miss Myers.
On second thought, free period for everyone. Love wins. So does everyone just get a free period because they got proposal?
It's starting. It's starting, all right. My workload is doubled thanks to your ingenious ways of asking each other to a dance. Proposal. Prom is only days away, but you still don't have a date. You're in the same boat as Brayden, Zoe, me.
For most dances.
And the many students who work for days, planning the perfect way to ask their date to prom. Watch as Brayden and Zoe wade through the waves of promposals to find out what truly matters. How to Ruin Your Promposal by Whitney Teubner and John Leverett. Promposal.
Hey guys, it's officially promposal season, so tune in here every day for updates. Like and subscribe. #LilyLove. Remember what happened last year? People went crazy and then Principal Barnes had to call that big assembly where we all sat in a circle, held hands and sang, "You got a friend in me." I'm not getting caught up in the hype this year. High school's too short to lose sleep over. I want to give the kids something to aspire to, like an awesome promposal. They won't be able to, of course. Who do you even like enough to want to go with? Like? Ew, Zoe, I'm saving romance until after college. I can't trust my teenage hormones. I'm just gonna go as friends. Promposal. Zoe, so who are you gonna ask to the dance?
Dude, it's way too early to be talking about that. What's next? Starting to study for our chemistry midterm?
Dude, our chemistry midterm was last week.
Really? My mom's gonna be so mad. Promposal.
OMG, this must be a mistake. What is it? Colin just sent me a text asking me to the prom. A text? How can I post a lousy text? This is not fair. Lily, calm down. You're acting crazy. Promposal's important to me, okay? Could this day get any worse? Promposal. Zoe, I really liked hanging with you and being study buddies. I feel like we're the only sane ones left of our friends. Wouldn't it be great if we were team? What are you doing here, Colin?
Waiting for you to text back.
Text back! Text back! I have not come this far in my life to receive a prom invite via text. And shame on you for not realizing it. No need to check your phone. The text is not coming. See? This is why I hate promposal season. Promposal. Zoe, wait. Hi.
Looks clutches of our very unhappy friends.
It wasn't easy, but I threatened Lily with SAT flashcard practice and she quickly ran off.
Very clever. So, now that I have your attention,
Hey, Kelly. I brought you a basket of kittens because I thought you'd be the perfect date to prom.
Gee, thanks, Katie. I love kittens. Achoo. I think achoo. I would love to go to the prom with you. Achoo. I'm okay. I'm okay. EpiPen Promposal.
don't look so down. Prom's not until tomorrow.
What do you mean, Carl?
Don't think I don't know what's going on here. I see everything. You still have a chance to make this right.
I feel like a failure.
I wanted to ask her and tried to ask her, but all the madness kept getting in the way. Plus, I'm not even sure she's that into me. Brayden, you have got to do what your heart tells you to. Now, clean up this mess you made, so I don't have to. Promposal.
Welcome, Hamilton High. Welcome to Hamilton High's prom, the dance party of the year. DJ, raise the roof.
Hi, hey, hi.
Hey, hi, hey.
I thought you were mad at me.
I was. I mean, seriously, a text? But here's the deal. I'm here looking cuter than cute. Ready to dance and document and share with the world. And you obviously came here wanting to go with me. So let's give the people what they want. Promposal. Zoe, I'm so glad you came. You know, Brayden, stop. I know you wanted to ask me over and over, but people, feelings, and over-the-top promposals kept getting in the way. Coming here tonight, I was sad that I wasn't coming with you. Sometimes I get too focused on being the best student, studying all the time, that I don't realize I'm missing on the most important parts of life until it's too late. I don't need a big promposal to go to the dance. I just wanted to go with you. You have no idea how happy this makes me.
And even though you said you didn't need a big promposal, I still think you deserve one.
Ding, 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 ding. You're the light of his life, the love of his heart. You and him are never to be apart. This is a song for me. Ding, ding, and my day Valerie. Ding, ding, ding. Hi, this is great, guys. Wait. My fans are dying for a big finale.
Zoe, will you go to prom with Brayden?
Will you accept this corsage and go to prom with me? Oh, you guys, this has all been so much. At first, I thought promposal season would make us all crazy. And then it did make us all crazy. But now it's brought us all together in this special way. My battery's at 20%, Zoe. I love you, girl, but get to your point. Sorry. Yes, I will be your date to prom, Brayden. Hey guys, you saw it all happen here. Hashtag Lily Love forever. Promposal.
What are you all still doing here? Prom's over. I gotta clean all this up. Go home.
Thank you.